Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another EL Falcon related video. In the last EL Falcon video where I showed you the door trim upgrade, I did mention that I had ordered some custom made moulded floor mats. Now they have finally arrived. I have already opened the box and this is how they turned up. They got delivered by courier. So what I will do for you is I'll put the eBay seller's details up here somewhere. So if you are interested in some custom made moulded floor mats, you can contact these guys, and I believe they've also got a website independent of eBay, but I think it actually worked out cheaper for me to order off eBay. Anyway, they make these moulded floor mats for pretty much all cars. They are quite expensive. They cost me, I think it was $179 for the complete set. So let's have a quick look at these floor mats. I'll pull them out. And they have a few different options. I went for the 3-piece set, which is 2 front ones and a single piece back. You can also get a 4-piece set, and I think it's about the same price, where you can get 2 front ones and individual back covers. Now here's the back one, and I've chosen the colour called grey, which is just a little bit lighter than black. And I think it'll tie the whole interior together in the car with the light grey colour plus the black, and this will be the in-between to tie both of the colours together, and hopefully this will be the finishing touch. So this is like a one piece that goes right across the floor in the back. It's got like a grippy backing material that grips your carpet, but it doesn't damage your carpet. Some of the floor mats you get, you've got like spikes on the back and all different things, and they actually do damage to your original carpets. This side is just a plush cut carpet, and these are custom made for the car. It actually tells you in the little label here, EL and EF Falcon. I'll pull the front ones out for you, and here you can see how they're shaped. Now the driver's side one gets a little plastic mat, whereas the passenger side one doesn't. And as you can see, these are shaped, so they will also catch the dirt, and you can take these out and clean them outside of the car, and you should pretty much get zero dirt inside your car. And that's the experience I had when I've had these in the past. So let's put them in the car and see how they look. Now there's the new look floor mats all installed, and I really like them, and they really do tie in the door trims now. Let's have a look at the back. There's the back door trims. There's the floor mats. And there's the other door trim. A little bit of reflection from the sun. But yes, I really like it. It really does seem to give it the finishing touch now. Looks good. Now as you just saw, they fit beautifully, and in my personal opinion, they look great. You know, everyone's opinion's different. If you don't like the new look EL Falcon interior, well, it's not your car, it's my car. Now, if you have any questions about anything you saw in today's video, do me a favour, leave your question down below, and I'll try and answer it to the best of my ability. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.